Hi friends, look at the nature around you. There are so many natural resources, right? Like sea, lake, trees, flowers, plants. Natural resources are necessary for the functioning of human societies. They are the primary source for supplying much energy for transport, light, and heat around the world. We need trees to make houses, furniture, and for fuels. We need to fill ponds and rivers to build big factories. These are our necessaries. We cannot avoid it. It plays an important role in the growth of human race. But what if we become greedy in using such natural resources? Yes, it will eventually lead to the decline of humanity.
See our beautiful earth on the right side and what on the left? Are we in danger? In the name of development, we are pulling backwards, causing pollution like air, water, soil, noise, land pollution, etc. These are the most terrible landslides in Myanmar, the deadliest landslide in Wayanad. What we see as progressive actually destroys our earth. As in our 8th standard English course book lesson, listen to the mountains. Our activities lead to global warming, droughts, etc. Development can be a threat to nature.
The earth is a fine place and worth fighting for, Ernest Hemingway. Now we will have a brief summary of the lesson. Listen to The Mountain by Kaveri Nambishan. Kaveri Nambishan is a novelist from India. She was born in Palangala village in South Kodagu in a family of politicians. Her father, C.M. Poonacha, was once a Union Railway Minister. She spent her early years in Madikeri. Kaveri Nambishan began writing under her first married name Kaveri Bhatt for children's magazines. She wrote stories for the children's magazines. She also contributed to Femina and Eve's Weekly. Her first book, published under the name Kaveri Bhatt, The Truth Almost About Bharat, is the story of a rebellious young medical student who runs away from medical college and begins a cross-country road trip on his motorcycle. The book went out of print and was recently re-released. Kaveri Nambishan's major works include Once Upon a Forest, Kitty Kite, The Truth, The Scent of Pepper, Mango-Colored Fish, On Wings of Butterflies, The Hills of Angeri, The Story That Must Not Be Told, A Town Like Ours. Listen to the Mountain. Listen to the Mountain by Kaveri Nambishan is a play that opens our eyes to the unchecked exploitation of nature by human beings. The play depicts the struggle of a grandmother with the people of her village to protect the mountain, which has been the savior of their habitat for years, from the land mafia sponsored by multinational corporates. Regardless of the continuous warnings and protests of the villagers, the exploiters continued drilling the mountain. Finally, the mountain spoke loud enough for everyone to hear. A landslide occurred and the village ended up in a disaster. What is the solution then? How will we balance our nature's well-being with developmental activities of human beings? How can we stop such disasters? It's sustainable development. The answer is sustainable development. Sustainable development is the idea that human societies must live and meet their needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. The official definition of sustainable development was developed for the first time in the Brundtland Report in 1987. 17 Sustainable Development Goals. No poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation and infrastructure, reduced inequalities, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water, life on land, peace, justice and strong institutions, partnerships for the goals. Now we will have a look at some beautiful quotes on nature. Thanks for watching.